all of the bolts on that wheel are coming off.
We're not making this up.
DDE destroyed my Lambo.
I'm going home, that's it.
Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to Daily Driven Exotics. I don't know about you, but I'm a little bit tired of super content. We have Tavarish to save the day. He's gonna give us the keys to his beautifully restored Fast and the Furious Murcielago, which was driven by Tyrese.
Hold on, what?
Yeah, you give me the keys.
No, wait, we didn't talk to this. I don't know if you know this. This is $1 million show car. Okay?
There you go.
Well, at least it's elite.
It's got the DD key tag.
I need to up my merch game. You guys, these are pretty awesome. Where can you get these?
Shopdd.com.
Okay.
That was good. We didn't even have them set up for that.
My friend Sam's car, Sam Hard of Hard Up Garage, and he built this. You call it a NAS charger. Well, Sam's right here.
What up, Sam?
How you doing?
I'm great, man. I'm about to rate a Supra for Murcielago. Do you think that's a good deal for me and a bad deal for Tavares?
I think you both lost, right? And you both won at the same time, right?
What is this?
This is what happens when a Brit messes up two pieces of American iconic history. This was the wheelie car in Fast and Furious and a Carl Edwards real NASCAR. I cut it up and glued it together in 7 weeks and brought it to Vegas for SEMA.
Holy crap.
Dude, the end.
Hold on. Okay. That just made my day so far.
This is the whole NASCAR inside, so I actually cut the whole floor out.
This is crazy.
The valet said, "Can you hand me the key?" I was like, "Yeah." my bad.
Oh, look at this thing, you guys. Holy crap. The full-on cage. I think it's time to hit the road.
It's actually time for our Vincero plug right now, you guys. Before you call me, oh yes, Damon and I have crazy nice watches, but I didn't start out that way. I'm 36 years old. It took me 36 years to get my dream watch. In the meantime, you need to have the time, you have a job, you need to check, it's time to go to work. Vincero is a fantastic option, you guys. These watches, 150, 200 bucks. They have tons of options. This is the Altitude that just came out. Damon has the Rogue. Damon, show him the Rogue.
The Rogue's amazing, actually. I genuinely like this. It's a sportier looking watch. I wear it everywhere that I wouldn't want to wear my other watch and smash it into stuff, because I am actually really bad at that.
Dude, this thing is nice. It has this like blue tint. It's sort of black when you don't look at it, and in the light, it's blue.
I know what you're trying to say.
I like this.
It's classy, which is why it shouldn't be on day.
Very true. Now the Rogue has new colored straps just came out, and guess what, you guys? Free shipping anywhere in the world. And you guys, the DD fan gets a crazy discount. Links in description.
Epic, you guys.
We've been on this like whole Fast and the Furious kind of video series we've been doing. This was driven by Tyrese in the movie Fast and the Furious. This is not like a fake, this is the actual car. It was trashed because this thing was in like Iceland or something. Tavarish completely rebuilt it. You have to go to his channel, link in description, and watch the entire build on this car, because it did not look like this or even remotely close when he bought it. In fact, it looked like a fake kit car. Now we get to drive it.
You ready?
I'm ready, let's do this.
Super excited because first of all this, and I have a manual Murcielago,
which has been down for several months. Jump back on the bull and take it for a rip.
Humble flex.
Oh, it's good in there. Too fast, too furious.
More than you can afford, pal.
BMW. So first thing I'm gonna think about is, this is a non-LP car.
Yes.
I wonder if it has ceramic brakes or
It does
steel.
not. They're
It
steel.
feels like steel.
They're steel.
Okay. That makes a big difference in how fast this car was about to stop.
So the brakes are kind of small in the front too. So the early ones they need a little more braking. Well, now you know. Well, now you know.
First drive? Drive's really good.
Yep.
The only thing is the brakes.
So the brakes are the #1 thing that everybody changes on these cars. An upgrade for these are actually the Gallardo brakes.
No.
So we're gonna get some emergency Lamborghini supplies. They have a Lamborghini section. I don't know if you know that.
No.
Yeah, they do.
Fire extinguishers?
What?
Fire extinguishers.
Yeah,
Okay.
well that's the Italian section.
We got some DD gloves to go with the merch.
The Tom Hardy edition. Great actor, by the way.
There are specific Lamborghini bolts that I need.
They're specific to Lamborghini?
Yeah, they have some boutique stuff. That's why Harbor Freight is a cut above the rest.
Is it
so.
Lamborghini stuff we need?
Yeah. So this is the Lamborghini. Right
Okay, hold on. That's not in the budget.
I don't know. Well, this is the member price. So
Are you a member?
I don't think so. Can you guys spot me? I kind of spent all my money on the car. So
Yeah, I'll make something happen.
okay.
Is that Lamborghini Fire Axe?
For measuring me? For measuring you?
This is 12, I'll take that.
12. This is 30.
Never be too safe in an Italian car.
Fire extinguisher?
Well, I mean, listen. I don't know about you, but I don't feel like having a Lamborghini on fire today. So
It's a hell of a thumbnail. I'm just
It
saying.
would be a hell of a thumbnail.
okay, so ideal for marine or automobile use.
That's our guy right there. Yeah.
Do they have any more?
You can never have too much protection, Dave.
How's it looking under there?
Well, it's good. I got these Lamborghini OEM approved bolts, so I'm just gonna try to make sure the side skirt doesn't fall off. The Lamborghini OEM approved bolt from Harbor Freight is actually too long, so what I'm gonna do is something you should probably not do, but I'm just gonna put a bunch of nuts and washers to shorten the bolt.
I'm learning a lot about how easy it is. I'm getting the confidence. Thank you, Tavares.
yeah, please.
I'm getting the confidence to work on my own cars because I can see anybody can do it now.
Everybody can be their own warranty.
You're laying on the ground, dude. The ground's dirty. Ugh.
Yeah.
Boom. Demonstrate.
Look at that.
Now let's go show
You
them
can
the
stand on this. Don't stand on
Let's go.
No.
That was actually a good call.
You know, 180, that might flop around a little bit.
Considering we're doing a high-speed test run today.
What? What? What?
Yeah, what is the top
What do you
speed
think
of this
that?
car?
What do you think the desert's for, bro?
Speed limit is 55, guys.
Sure.
Just so you guys
Speed
know.
limit is whatever we want it to be. We're going to a dry lake bed. It's very peaceful. It's called Area 51. We have some classified entrance.
Have you been practicing your Naruto run?
Okay, we're gonna pull off to the side of the road here because I'm noticing a little bit of vibration coming from what could be like the drivetrain area that we didn't notice when we left Vegas.
We found the wobbly transmission. It's not a wobbly transmission.
Watch this. Can you guys see the bolts? Watch. Watch. Loose. Hold on. You want to see something really scary? Okay, straight up.
Well,
All of the bolts on that wheel are coming off.
so I torqued all of these down 100% before I
Liar.
I need a second.
Can you imagine if the wheel straight up came off?
Your wheels, seriously? Like, look.
Dude, so I was looking at the wheel right here.
Yeah?
It was going like this. I was like, maybe it was something kicking up. So there was like one bolt that is tight on there.
One bolt's holding that on. And ironically, the bolt that's holding it on is the shortest one. Holy sh! Holy sh!
I can't even believe that wheel's
Literally coming off.
Good thing we got tools. Wow. We're not making this up. Stop it.
Well, I thought it was the transmission that felt like a shaking.
Well, I mean,
It's just a wheel.
see, this is why I gave you the car, because you know, hey, something doesn't feel right. This one is tight.
That's the only one.
Listen, one out
We're
of
driving
five.
with 1 out of 5.
Ah! This is nuts. This is absolutely nuts.
Look at you go. Look at.
DDE destroyed my Lambo.
This side's just come off too.
It's coming off?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Just joking.
I'm going home. I'm going home. That's
We're
it.
halfway to LA after leaving Vegas. The drive was pretty boring so far, but we found some excitement here at the gas station. Look at this. It's Choi's Monkey Bar Lamborghini.
I'll tell you right now, this is the perfect example of why we don't own a McLaren. Oh, that's right, we do own a McLaren.
Daily Toad Exotics. This is cool though. This is Choi's Tesla. Choi and his McLaren, which is parked behind his Lamborghini. Sounds rough. How's the road trip going?
Supercharging? How's your road trip going?
The wheel fell off in Murcielago.
You need to shave, buddy.
I know, it's been a rough night in Vegas. I'll tell you that much. Is that how you meet Alex Choi, just shoulder bump or elbow bump?
Shoulder bump. That's obnoxious. How's it driving? Like, how's it shift now compared to before? You downshift, does it rev up and do all that stuff?
Oh yeah, it's perfect. It's like a stock car, and it drives even like perfectly. Like it drives so amazingly.
Oh!
This thing drives like beautifully. I love it.
Check the wheel.
Really?
Yeah, I trust the car, I don't trust you anymore.
What?
I'm going to get snacks and drinks. He was like, oh, I torqued them before we left SEMA, I swear. I'm like, there's no way 4 or 5 lug nuts come out if you torque the wheels.
Are you being serious right now? Or are we gonna loosen every single one?
Yeah.
I'll ride with you the rest of the way.
That's pretty tight, yeah. It's not going anywhere.
What's more impressive, the Murcielago from the Fast and the Furious that Tyrese drove, or the Supra that Damon and I drive? At first glance, the Supra is.
Oh, come on!
You saw!
Come on!
I didn't know this was actually from the Fast and the Furious. This is actually what they
this is a
drove?
movie car, yeah.
Okay, so that makes this a little bit more. Still the Supra.
Oh!
It's still the Supra. Give me $100. Supra.
So the wheel, it's one of those things where you just go, that ain't going nowhere.
Good enough for Damon.
Yeah. Okay, so Damon's just, he's just being a little baby, even though the wheel almost did.
You can
fall
say it.
off,
He's
like-
being a little say it.
Okay, well I didn't know what kind of channel this was.
Oh, this is that channel. This is definitely that channel.
Still on a Lambo. See ya! All right, when you have the Fast and the Furious car and your homeboy Tavares is driving your Supra, you gotta take him to Rodeo Drive.
We have a little surprise for you.
Okay.
We called some friends to meet on Rodeo Drive. This is our hood.
I thought you were Canadian.
Shut up, man! Yeah, man!
So I get they're making noise, right?
Pops and bangs.
But why? Why?
I don't know.
I don't understand.
I don't know. Just wait. There'll be lights that come with the noise.
Oh, okay. Oh, is that Christmas lights?
There'll be Christmas lights.
Very festive part of the game.
What'd you do? What'd you do?
He doesn't understand
What'd
how red
you do?
lights work.
Did you run a red light?
No, I did. I went halfway through the yellow and it turned red.
Oh no,
it went
they were cool. They'll give you a warning. They're
It
cool.
went to the line. It turned yellow and then it turned red. So I
was all
basically
red.
That's the order usually.
It was
It's yellow,
kid.
then red, and then they got you.
It was yellow when I went through. We'll leave it at that. I passed her too when I made that U-turn. I passed her. She was staring right at me. So I was like, you must have thought I was cute or something, or him.
It's getting crazy here on Rodeo. Tavares has no idea what he signed up for. I went out to get my cell phone charger and all of a sudden I saw the police lights and well, a kitten and a laser pointer, I got attracted to it.
Hey, Dave, where'd you sneak up from? I didn't see you.
What's up, dude? How are you? Good to see you.
Blessed. Damon says he's going to do the burnout in McLaren now, in the McLeese, in my McLaren.
Right here in the intersection.
He will give you all the check engine lights you could ever want.
I will not be in the car with him. I do not condone anything Damon does.
Oh, it's totally the Urus.
Is it the Urus? Oh,
Yeah, it's totally the Urus.
There's a cop behind you, just to let you know. Oh, you saw him? Yeah, I saw him. Dude, that thing sounds amazing. They probably don't like it that much, but we appreciate it.
It did sound pretty.
It does sound amazing, right?
I got to give it to you.
they said I was revving, but I didn't.
Revving. You're revving your dual clutch transmission. That's a lot of work to do that. You gotta pull both paddles and put it in neutral.
Right, and I gotta go when it's free. So
This thing sounds really good.
thank you.
When you leave, I want to hear it. Actually, I can't say that now. There's a few cops behind you. But next time, we'll have to hear this thing.
They're being super cool. Gotta fix a ticket, give them some breaks on a few things. These are the good guys.
That cannot be
Hey,
real.
welcome
to Rodeo Drive.
That just happened. Welcome to Rodeo Drive.
That is. You don't have to start it with the kill tune on it. Jesus.
You're getting the full rodeo experience tonight. This is amazing.
No, this is
classic DD right
This is a
here.
little overwhelming. This is
Yeah.
It's like if you were to tell somebody about this, it's not believable. Nobody would believe you. Nobody would believe you.
What is this? What is this?
This is new?
Whoa, buddy.
I got you. We're going for a tour of Rodeo Drive or what? This is a good look for us. When did you buy this?
Oh, it's my friends. I'm gonna
Oh,
go get
super sick.
Rev it.
Good friend, he's a good friend, Dave.
That's sick. 675 LT in chicane gray. And an I.
I feel like I need like just a regular car now. You know?
So do I. As much as he loves the pops and crackles and the bangs from every single car here, it is time to say goodbye to Tavares. Thank you for the trust. Let me drive your baby.
Dude, thank you so much. First of all, I mean, you probably have way more seat time than I ever did. So thank you for taking care of her.
Good night to the Fast and the Furious Tavares Lamborghini Murcielago gated. Amazing beauty. I want to hear sport mode. Say hi to composer.
What's good? What's good?
What do you think? What do you think of Supra? First impression.
What the audio doesn't even pick it up.
It does.
So anybody out there talking about the Supra, get the
There's a trend here on these wraps. What's going on? Tell me the story. They're all matching.
So
Hey, matching everything.
when people want to be obnoxious, you have to take it to a completely different level.
Oh, I know all about that.
Yeah. There's annoying, there's and then there's damn. Okay,
Yeah.
we had to take it to damn.
Look at this. Amazing.
Ace has got the Murcielago. It's been a mercy kind of day. I'm excited. Dave's behind the wheel, which is perfect because there are a lot of cops out tonight and I don't want to deal with any of them. What are you gonna say to the police?
Hello, officer.
Run. Yo, you're gonna
DD, run! DD, run!
talks a big game. Cut to the scene where he's
I'm so sorry.
Oh, that is loud. Oh, I missed your car. That is the sweet sound of the Murcielago V12. Yo, it's Dave from DD. What up, Dave?
Wait, Dave, remember me?
Dave, what's up? Hey, Dave. Why are you not? Do you have any comment? Why are you not verified?
Oh, Dave!